I can spend money on it, not.
Okay, taxiing out.
Taxiing out after you.
Take off flat. I just put it there. Wait.
Wait till this one comes down. Oh wait, no, what am I thinking?
Okay, take it off.
Should have bought that. Should have bought that.
You still can. Right?
Yeah, but I got that stupid PT-17 on.
It's changing. It's shifting. So you just want to wait. Now it's coming from the left.
Do you want me to take off the left or the right?
The wind just shifted, so you may want to take off from right to left.
I'm taking off right to left.
We should.
Are we officially changing the pattern?
I think we should because the wind just changed.
Okay.
And that scale guy is still buzzing around here, so he's coming.
Work right, everybody. Landing from the right. Don't hold landing. Visionary hold landing. Let me on this.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Flying full scale.
Oh, okay. I thought you were trying to help me.
Okay, fast low pass from the right.
I know, dude. Dude, Aero Micro has one of those. I need to go get it.
Yeah, pattern change.
And dude, then I need to buy some of those Florian 4500 packs for it.
Roll pass. Low pass behind you.
Apparently, race station can't for the 5,000. So.
If it's a small one, you can, but
Yeah, I don't. My 5,000.
It has to be a really low C rating.
But I mean, those 4500
Time
packs.
remaining 2 minutes.
Wait, let me see them.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, those are tiny.
fast low pass from the right.
Landing, coming in from the right.
Yeah.
No, but you have to slow down. You know
I mean, it's got a plane.
You're going fast.
Time remaining 1 minute 5 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute.
No, with little to no headwind like today, I think.
Yeah, no,
That's just constant pressure.
I was like rating his landing, and then once.
No,
See
it's
how
crosswind.
That's what happened. And then when I pulled up, I pulled up a little.
Come on, how can you bounce? That's suspension, man.
Because the suspension is so loose. Like you,
Okay, I'm doing a touch and go when you're clear.
Landing flat. Gear down.
Are you landing right?
Touch and go. Oh, you got to come in. Come in.
Flat up.
no,
Gear
it's
up.
not. No.
Alright, Ryan, get landing the next.
Okay, I'll do. I'm still doing my touch and go then.
I'm doing shit in the middle.
Okay, I see you.
9,
I'm keeping an eye on y'all. I'm not trying to
7,
move away.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Yeah,
1.
still cross.
Time expired.
It's cross.
Flat
No,
up. Gear up.
it's more favorable towards the way it was going, so you're fine. It's just.
Yeah, it's just cross.
Okay, landing from the right.
Okay, come on in.
It's more favorable. Because the wind's shifting. All the
Don't take forever.
I thought Leah was gonna land. I was just like,
Gear down. Landing flaps.
By the time he's clear, I'll be clear for a touch and go. Oh wait, what? Huh?
no, we're landing. Oh, you're fine.
Landing.
No, I got a touch and go. I'm trying to get. The wind is weird.
I know, it's like pushing me.
It's off to the side. I just got to come lower.
Now I'm diagonal a little bit.
Yeah, I'll come a little different.
And the wind's kind of weird in the ground.
There we go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Dude, that thing, he
Right, just
raised the
go.
time to get that flex forever.
Well, this plane, this power system's really efficient. I can fly it for 6 minutes. If you want to take off, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and take off. You're good.
Ray, you gonna fly that again?
Yeah, a whole bunch of times if I can today.
Huh?
If I can, a whole bunch of times today. All right, landing from the right unless you got to come in, Devin. All right.
Landing flaps. Gear down. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
I hope I do. Yeah. I feel real funny if I don't.
Hi.
Nice, right?
That's a proper
Coming
crosswind
out.
landing.
Yeah, it's.
Actually, I saw
It
that.
won't turn. It won't turn. It won't turn.
I saw that. You put it sideways a little bit.
Yeah, I got to walk out and get it. I'm stuck on the runway, guys.
I didn't want to do a flight together next.
Let me. Next time I fly it, I'll grab you. On the runway. I got a whole bunch of packs for it, so we can. All right, one runway clear.